Love Bloom Cambridge is presented as a stylish local boutique selling shoes and fashion pieces. But the real question is it actually a real Cambridge store or just another online shop using a local identity? Here's what's really going on. What it claims to be. At first glance, Love Bloom Cambridge looks like a UK-based boutique brand, a local fashion store with a Cambridge address, a community-driven women's clothing label. That sounds trustworthy, but the details don't fully add up. Major red flags. 1. No clear real-world store presence. Despite claiming a Cambridge address, there's no strong evidence of a physical retail shop you can visit. For comparison, real Cambridge businesses like Barnwell Florists, So Blooming Beautiful, have consistent listings, reviews, and verified locations. Love Bloom doesn't show that same footprint. 2. Conflicting business addresses. The site lists Cambridge address, Manchester address on contact page, even a U.S. warehouse address. Multiple inconsistent locations equals common e-commerce red flag. 3. Drop shipping style website structure. The store heavily uses up to 70% off site-wide sales, bundled discounts, and urgency messaging. This is typical of drop shipping or fast fashion funnel stores, not traditional boutiques. What you can realistically expect. If you order, you might receive the product. Quality may vary. Shipping may take longer than expected. Returns could be inconvenient. So, is Love Bloom Cambridge real or fake? Short answer, not a true local store. Likely a dropshipping style site. It exists and sells products, but the Cambridge boutique image is misleading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.